Hey, this is Kathy from Kathy Cooks For You, and welcome to my kitchen. I have a dear friend, Kirsten, here.
Hi!
And her daughter, Emerson.
Say hi, baby!
And they are here today to help me make one of my family's favorite Christmas cookies. It's a candy cane Christmas cookie. Can you say candy cane cookie?
Can't say it loud.
Yes.
Candy cane. Yeah, good job.
This is my husband's grandma's mixer. And she just passed away this year, and I thought it'd be a great way, a good homage to Grandma Dora to put her mixer in one of my episodes. That's all right. Kids off. We're gonna start by putting butter in our dish here. So we put our butter in, one stick.
Look at that.
Two
Yummy,
stick.
yummy, yummy.
Who doesn't love butter, right?
We love butter.
We all love. Good job covering your mouth that time. To the butter, you get to do this one. Can you pour this powdered sugar? It's a half a cup of powdered sugar. That's it.
Dump it in the
Can
bucket.
you put it in there?
Dump it in.
Oh, there you go. Good
Right. Good job.
Okay, and then we're gonna put this going. Don't put your hands near this while this is going, okay? Oh, there we go. Now it's starting to get creamy.
Sweet butter.
Yeah, what's better
Yeah.
than butter and powdered sugar? That's just frosting. We made frosting. That's all
You
it
like
is.
frosting, don't you?
I get
You made
yeah,
cookies.
yeah.
Cookie Monster.
Oh, are you the Cookie Monster? Get in there. Oh, good girl.
Good job.
And we're gonna let
That's
that.
vanilla extract?
Yes, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we're gonna let that go. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add that because that's a little hard to put in there. So I'll put the salt in, and then you get to put this. Can you put your granola bar down for a second? Oh, Mama can help you with that.
There, ready? We're gonna dump it in. Dump it in there. Whoa.
Look at that.
Good job, baby.
Okay, now when I turn it on, some of this flour is gonna go poof and come up like a cloud.
Wow.
Okay, I'll
You
turn
ready?
it real slow at first so it doesn't do it too much.
Whoa.
Oh, see, there's like a cloud.
You see it? You see it?
It's like a
going
cloud.
out. Flour.
Okay, so let's just see where we're at. This is a dry dough. Right now, it's just crumbly, and so you are not making a mistake. Just to let you know, this is. You want to touch it? You want to touch it? You can touch it.
Here, use this hand.
See how it's crumbly? We're gonna add 1.5 cups of oatmeal now.
Ooh, you
Okay.
love oatmeal, Emerson.
Yeah.
Here, dump it in there.
And that makes it good for you, right?
Yes,
When you
it
put
makes it
oatmeal in
healthy.
anything.
It's healthy.
Good fiber.
Yes.
And then we're just gonna let that go a bit. And again, this is crumbly. It looks crumbly. It's like, how the heck am I gonna get cookies out of this? But I guarantee you, you're gonna get some cookies out of it. Look how crumbly this is. See how it's just like, how could that be cookies? But when you smush it, then yeah.
Do you want to smush some?
Put your hand in there.
Go ahead, pick some out and squish it in your hands.
See how it's squishy? So now I'm gonna get my pan and we're gonna turn these into yummy candy cane cookies.
Yay! Candy canes!
We just pick some up and then we're gonna mush it between both hands and kind of make a log.
Go ahead, make a log, Emerson. Squish it up.
Oh, there we go.
Good job.
That's awesome.
Mommy will do one, okay?
And then you're gonna just set it, it looks like this, and then you're just gonna set it on here and curve it to the shape of a candy cane. Perfect!
Very good, Emerson.
Perfect, Emerson. Aren't they awesome?
This looks
And there's no
yummy.
egg in this dough, so you can eat
You
it.
could eat
You
it.
can eat it. You can try it. You want to try a bite?
Take a bite. How is it? What do you think? Good. Emerson approved.
Well, if a baby likes it, it's got to be okay.
Yes.
Our cookies are in the oven. They're gonna bake at 325 for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're on to our frosting. I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. And to that, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of melted butter. And let's just say a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I mean, it's however much you want. And use cleared vanilla if you're really concerned about the color of your frosting if you put food coloring in it. Okay, you can start mixing that up. You wanna start mixing that?
Stir it up.
We'll get to 1 more teaspoon. That'll be 5 teaspoons in there. Ooh, 4.5.
I was getting too out of control there. I'm like, sorry.
Here you go, Emerson. You got help. Here, we'll put that half in there. Now the fun part. Making it red, Emerson. See, red, it's red. It's like your shirt.
Red. Watch.
Watch. Put it in. Ooh, we'll put like 4 drops in there. Now stir it up, and it's
What
gonna
happens
be
when
red.
it stirs? Let's see. Let's mix it up.
Red and white makes pink.
Yay! Look, making candy cane colors.
Pretty red.
Candy
Candy cane.
Cookie
Yeah.
Monster. That's the Cookie Monster. And Emerson's too.
Emerson's and Cookie Monster. I already made up one batch that does not have food coloring in it. So now we have a red and we have a white. And we have this beautiful plate of cookies here. And now we get to decorate them. So, Emerson, you just pick up a cookie and you just put some white stripes. And you could take a bite, and then I could tell she was watching. And then a red stripe.
Ooh, look
at
how
that, Emerson.
pretty that is.
Isn't that pretty?
Ooh, I bet you'll like it even more with the icing on it.
And there you have
So
a
cute.
candy cane
That's so
cookie.
cute. How'd we do? Did we make yummy cookies?
Yummy cookies. Emerson, can you say, please subscribe to Kathy Cooks for You?
Tell them to subscribe. Say please subscribe to Kathy Cooks for You. Good job.
That's right. Thank you so much for watching. And you can check out these recipes and more on Kathy Cooks for You or kathycooksforyou.com. Thanks.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Good
Oh,
job.
perfect.